are going to discuss the MCQs about behavior. So basically the contents are taken from FSC Biology second year. The first MCQs is the sum of whatever animal do is activity, response, behavior, way of life. So option number C is correct. All the activities of animal are included in one category called as behavior. Conditioned reflex type 2 is known as learning by option A teacher, B thinking, C trial and error, D parents. So actually the conditioned reflex type 2 is known as learning by trial and error. इसका क्या मतलब है कि एक दफ़ा जो है उसने गलती की, लेकिन नेक्स्ट टाइम जो पर्सन है वो गलती अपनी नहीं दोहराएगा, वो अपनी गलती से सीखेगा. द पैटर्न ऑफ बिहेवियर विच इज़ हेरिडिटी इज़ कॉल्ड इंस्टिंक्टिव, लर्निंग, अडॉप्टिव, सिलेक्टिव. सो हेरिडिटी से जो बिहेवियर ह्यूमन या एनिमल्स शो करते हैं वो बेसिकली इंस्टिंक्टिव होता है नेचर में, यानी उसकी इंस्टिंक्ट में है, फितरी बिहेवियर जिसको हम कहते हैं. द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लर्निंग इज कंडीशनड रिफ्लेक्स, हैबिचुएशन, लेटेंट लर्निंग, इम्प्रिंटिंग. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लर्निंग इज हैबिचुएशन. द हाइएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लर्निंग इज कंडीशनड रिफ्लेक्स, imprinting, insight learning, latent learning. So insight learning is highest form of learning. Pavlov performed experiments with dogs in order to investigate conditioned reflex type of hereditary behavior, inborn behavior, instinctive behavior, learning behavior. Pavlov ने किसको स्टडी किया था डॉग्स में? बेसिकली लर्निंग बिहेवियर को. Option number 4 is correct. Honeybee inherit the ability to form wings and wing muscles for flight. They inherit the tendency to fly towards flowers to seek nectar and pollen. Such responses are popularly called learning, instinctive, adaptive, ingestive. देखिए रिस्पॉन्स बेसिकली है क्या कि उसने विंग्स डेवलप कर लिए हनी बी ने, और विंग्स का बेसिक पर्पस क्या है? फ्लाइट है. तो ये उसका इंस्टिंक्टिव बिहेवियर है. सारी हनी बीज जो हैं वो ये बिहेवियर शो करेंगी. द काइंड ऑफ लर्निंग बिहेवियर इन एनिमल्स विच डजेंट इन्वॉल्व एक्विजिशन ऑफ न्यू रिस्पॉन्सेज बट द लॉस ऑफ ओल्ड वंस इज कॉल्ड हैबिचुएशन. कंडीशनड रिफ्लेक्स टाइप 1 इम्प्रिंटिंग, इन्फेंटाइल बिहेवियर. तो ये बेसिकली है हैबिचुएशन. ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट. Pavlov performed classified experiments with which animals in order to investigate conditioned reflex type of learning behavior. कौन से एनिमल्स पे Pavlov ने काम किया था? डॉग्स पे. The branch of biology dealing with the study of animal behavior is option A psychology, B ethics, C entomology, D ethnology. तो actually option number D is correct. Learning is an ability to modify its behavior in the light of its experience. Heredity, knowledge, none of these. Learning is an ability to modification of any behavior is in the light of its experience. Thor defined the behavior as the adaptive changes in individual's behavior as learning, habitative, imprinting, habituation. So it's option A. A scientist who studies animal behavior is known as sociologist, behaviorist, theologist, ethologist. D is correct. Trial and error type of learning was studied by Thorndike and Skinner, Thorpe and Skinner, Skinner and Pavlov, Thorndike and Pavlov. Option A is correct. Thorndike and Skinner. The concept of science stimulus was given by Oxel, Lawrence, A and B, none. C is correct. Oxel and Lawrence. The useful behavior for animals with short lifespan is kinesis, orientation, taxis, none of them. It's option A, kinesis, useful behavior for animals with short lifespan. The learning based on gradual decline in response to continuous stimulus is imprinting, habituation, latent learning, insight learning. ऑप्शन बी हैबिचुएशन। जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि जो गिलहरियाँ होती हैं वो आदी हो जाती हैं अपने इर्द गिर्द चलते लोगों की, तो ये बेसिकली ग्रेजुअल डिक्लाइन है रिस्पॉन्स में टू कंटिन्यूस स्टिमुलस। The association of different stimuli without patent reward is imprinting, habituation, latent learning, insight learning. It's option C, latent learning.